Alright, you Ottawa Scotty here. We're just at my camp today. Finished cutting the grass. I'll show you around a little bit. Here's my 34-foot at the Bonaire trailer. It's in need of some extensive repairs. Still unsure whether or not those repairs will be done. There's a trailer, the mid-80s Terry Resort here. That's pretty much done. All rotten, so we'll figure out what we're going to do with that. I have some plans that I may turn that into a car hauler and then use the appliances for that and make this into some kind of like a tiny, I hate to use the term tiny home, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with this shed here. Still fixing that up. Now the purpose of this video is that I've had this camp for a few years now. We've enjoyed it, but now it's time to put some hydro in. So this series of videos is going to be all about installing hydro in Quebec. So the first thing you need to do is contact a master electrician, and preferably one with equipment for digging, and you need to get them to install a hydro pole. So what I've done here is the hydro pole has to be can't be closer than 10 feet, but no further than 100 feet from the actual hydro. And the hydro, I don't know if you can see it, just behind that tree line right there. And you can do this, it's possible to take a splice off anywhere, any point in that line. So it's just behind that tree line, so it has to be further than 10 feet. Sorry, can't be any closer than 10 feet and no further than 100. So I've marked out my place here where I've got kind of an idea of where it should go. Somewhere in here. We're going to put the pole somewhere here. I'm going to leave that up to the electrician. And pole will go somewhere here, and then I'll have a conduit that runs into the shed, or I'm going to go underground. So all of that will be decided once the pole goes in. But anyway, so this is going to be the part one video. So I've already arranged with the master electrician he's already looked at the property, and we're kind of discussing right now where the pole should go, and that's kind of the idea, somewhere in there. And yeah, the next step will be to book the appointment with him, and he's going to come in with his equipment, install the pole, and put the meter on the pole, and run power to run a supply line to the shed. What he does then is that he submits a permit to Hydro-Quebec, and then once Hydro-Quebec gets the permit from the master electrician, Hydro-Quebec will come and they will be responsible for hooking up the power from the line. So Hydro-Quebec will be responsible for hooking up the power from the line to the pole. Then the meter will be on the pole. And right now the estimate for the cost of that is about $2,500, but we're going to see how much it really costs in the end, and I'll let you guys know about that. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. This is part one, and we're going to have part two coming up really soon. So you Ottawa Scotty signing off. Keep it classy.